Hi, this is Gary Berger. I'm sitting here with Michael and Mary Macharia. How did I surprise you today?
Wow, I don't know. I can't explain it in words. I came to sign a document and you handed me a $671,000 check. Money I never had in my life. So yeah, that was a big surprise. Yeah.
So happy and proud to get that result for you. And we put some money in a structure too, so there's actually a couple $100,000 more, right?
Yes.
And that structure will pay you out of over time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Michael, how'd you like the work that our firm did in this case?
Excellent. I would say it's excellent. From the time we met Eddie.
Yep.
Eddie, and he explained everything, what was going to take place. And whatever he told us, everything went the way he had explained everything, and I'm happy now.
And it's fair to say I've spent a lot of time with you too, right?
Yeah, and he spent a lot of time with you, and you came personally when I was injured.
I came to your house.
Came to the house.
I saw the deck before they even cleaned it up.
Yeah, I saw the deck. You brought an engineer.
Yes.
Who did investigation too, and collected all the information you could, and the case started.
All right, it's been a long fight, hasn't it?
And it's been a long fight, almost 3 years.
2 years, May 2013 when the porch fell, right?
It's over 2.5 years.
But to have it done by then, we had the lawsuit filed pretty quickly.
Yeah, that was.
And we've done a lot of taken a lot of depositions and a lot of work.
Yeah, and it was quick.
Right.
It didn't take a whole time. It was quick.
Mary, were you happy with? And I know you, as every time after I did a deposition, I'd send it to you, and I knew you read them and did them. What'd you think of the work that I did?
Oh, I think you did good. I mean, the depots was very plain and understandable, so I have no problems with those at all. No.
Good. Did you enjoy reading them or being part of the process?
Yes. I was very happy with knowing exactly what was going on with everybody and what they were saying and thinking.
And is it fair to say we really fought this a long time? We got every dime we could in this settlement, would you say?
Yeah.
More than you ever expected?
Oh, yeah. Even today, it was more than I expected.
And one of the things we try to do too, I've always tried to do, is kind of educate you on the process and the facts of the case and what party was saying what and the different claims we had and the defenses and that. Did you feel that you learned something through this?
Yes. Through this whole ordeal, I've learned a lot. A lot.
Yeah,
well, great.
I can put a point over there on the depositions where we were going through the deposition. There were information there that we didn't even know, and you got it for us, and we're like, really? We didn't even know. Like the defendants. We didn't even know some of them defendants ever existed.
I know. We found the good defendants. We found documents. Hey, Amber, scroll that camera over. Show that pile over in that corner. You have about 7 or 8 boxes in your case. So in the discovery, we got thousands and thousands of pages from the defendants. We found every deck complaint, every repair order, all the evidence that the defendants knew this deck was unsafe, even though they didn't do anything on it. We found the information about the homeowner, how he had told you it was safe and it really wasn't. The issues with the management company not really inspecting it like they could. So all those issues were kind of something, as you said, we investigated hard and we really tried to prove in the case.
Yeah. And you did such a good job that the other lawyers on the other side, they will look at you like, where is he coming from? That's the impression I got. Where is he coming from with this? Sometimes you can look at them, like when we went for the mediation and you came into the room with that board with all of the breakdowns of what happened and what they should have done. They were all just sitting there like, where did he come from with this?
There was a room full of people.
They were so puzzled about what you had done.
We slayed them, didn't we?
Yeah.
Among other days.
Yeah.
I tell you, I had more fun with this case than many, many cases I've had. Just the way I could not be more proud to represent both of you guys, because you're just the salt of the earth, quality people that you just make it my life such a blessing to be able to do this. Truly, the voyage you guys have gone on in life to be here where you are, and so happy to be able to get this amazing result for you. And I know you guys are going to put it to good use. You're buying a home, right?
Yes, that's priority. I want to be in my own home.
Have you ever owned a home like that?
Not like I've owned a home with my other marriage, but not like this one.
How blessed are you?
Yeah. So
And I know you've been praying a lot.
I sure have. And
we
God answered my prayer.
And you too, Mike. I know this has been hard. Have you had 2 surgeries on your foot?
Yeah.
2 surgeries. It's been a long road. And I never thought this day would ever come. And finally it has come. And I'm glad and I'm happy.
Well, thanks. Thanks for doing this video too.
Oh, you're welcome.
You're welcome.
Thank you.